class, welcome to the beginning of week 4. We are 1/3 of the way done with the course. So hopefully you all had a very restful and safe Memorial Day weekend. So let's get started looking at what we need to cover this week. So this is week 4, so I'm looking at the schedule here, and we are working on sections 11.6, 11.7, and 15.4. So I know it's kind of random, but that's the order that I want to cover the content. So if we go to the Unit 2 module overview, we are working on these 3 sections right here in the middle. All right. Now you can definitely work ahead. You can always do that. You can continue on to work on factoring. Factoring is a super important section in this course, but this week you want to definitely focus on chapter 11 and that section in chapter 15. So just know that we did do 15.4 in the last unit, but in this unit we're going to focus on systems of linear inequalities. Okay? So in addition to that, we also should be working on quiz 4. So here are your content sections here. So you've got your content and then you have your homework. And so remember, let's go down to the quizzes. So remember that you can take these quizzes up to 3 different times to get the highest score possible. And you can also start practicing the test review now. Even if you don't know everything yet, you can open it and start practicing on the content, okay? Because that'll always keep your highest test score anyway. So even if you open it, you take it, you don't get the best score, you can take it again and again and again and again. So, and then we also have this extra credit opportunity, which will be helpful as you begin to prepare and practice for the upcoming test. Okay? So you can mark your calendar for the next test review session, which will be on June 12th. So that's a while from now. If you want to mark your calendar, you can do that. And the next test is not due until June 18th. So we've got some time now to start learning the material, practicing, and preparing ourselves. So if you have any questions, you know what to do, and I will see you guys online. Bye-bye.